For the high plank, what we're really trying to do is we're trying to set a column with our arm, wrist, elbow, shoulders, one straight column. We're trying to have back and hips, one straight line, and we want to be nice and strong. So we're going to have the kids, we're going to line them up, and we're going to have the dads look, make sure they have their elbow and shoulder stacked on the wrists. So hands are about shoulder width apart, feet are about shoulder width apart, and the kids are just going to be like this, hanging out. Now kids, when it's your dad's turn, you're going to take your sandbag and you're going to put it on your dad's back. Gently. Go ahead. Does that feel gentle? Yeah. We're just going to have the sandbag on dad's back. So we're going to try to see, kids, can you hold the plank for 10 seconds with your arms nice and straight, your back and hips even? And then dads, we're going to see if you can hold it for 30 seconds with the sandbag and maybe a kid.
Yeah.
All right. So let's get into your positions.